Bone in the house. What's up, fam? How you doing?
Let me see his little brother.
Oh, come check out your little brother. See how big he's gotten. He's getting cranky because he's getting ready to go to bed right now. There's your brother. Say hi to your brother. That's your big brother. Your bigger brother.
What's going on, man? Hey.
He's getting cranky because he's about to go to bed.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Oh,
can you tell he's cranky?
yeah. Mm-hmm.
You can tell he is cranky.
Alright, okay. He's sleepy.
Yeah, I'm about to feed him. Then we got Michael over here knocked out.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is.
He is knocked out. He's been knocked out for a while.
Yeah. So I got my sons here. Bone, Michael. Gonna have a motherfucking good ass time tomorrow. Y'all, check y'all out tomorrow at the infamous aquarium.
Jam, you ready to go to the park? Okay, I guess so. Who's up here? Hey, Michael. In case if you jammers don't know, we got here Michael, baby Jams,
Alright, come on, let's
older brother. Michael, where we going? What we doing? We going to the park?
go to the park. We're gonna go ahead and give Jam some air.
So say hi to the jammers, Michael. Jam, are you enjoying your brother
What's up, guys?
strolling you around? Jam the man with the master plan? I guess so. You had that instant connection, that instant bond. Out here, Jam's getting time to bond with his brother out here at the playground, neighborhood playground. Jam the man has met a new friend, as you can see, and he is being swung by his big brother, Michael. Jam, did you just learn to hold the swing? I see you, big boy. I see you, big mans.
You chilling? Look at him, he's chilling.
Ready, set, go. Jam, you spending time with your brother? Yeah. You guys ready to go to the aquarium? You ready, Bone Bone?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get ready.
Hey Jammers, it's Jam TV. Make sure y'all hit that like button and that subscribe button. I'm Bone Bone.
My name's Michael.
And we are at the aquarium, about to get lit.
As you can see right now, this is a jellyfish. One of these suckers stung me at the beach. It is not fun, guys. It is not fun to be stung by a jellyfish. These things hurt. That looks so pretty though. Hey, little alligators. Got the fishies. Jam's like, this is cool. Oh, this turtle lost his left arm. Poor thingy. You know, I used to have a snapper turtle as a pet, and I used to put him in my bathtub when I was little. My dad thought it was crazy.
What is this? Oh,
What is that?
gosh.
What is that? You might scare him by doing that.
Oh wow. Yes, it looks mean. Look like he gonna jump out of the glass on me. Looks like a little shark.
They are. Look at them. Those are little sharks. I think those are sand sharks.
Look at him. That looks like a person. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Jambo, how you feeling? How you feeling at the aquarium? Grouchy. Okay. Okay, Jammers. So Jam is cranky, as you can see. He's kind of scared. He's kind of scared. We're about to go see the tigers. Let's go. We're about to enter the white tigers. Let's go. Jam, do you see the tiger? Do you see the tiger? You see it?
I'm gonna wash my hands, but I'm not touching the stingrays at all.
So Jammers, check this out. They said we can touch the stingrays with 2 fingers. I think I'm gonna do it. Bobo said he ain't gonna do it. If you touch him on his back, he should be okay. What happened, Bobo?
I get shot.
You gonna try to attempt to touch a stingray?
Yep.
All right, come on. Let's see, look, they're coming up for here. Jammers, I am attempting to touch a stingray. Bonbon's attempting to touch a stingray. He's got the 2 fingers out. Jam, you wanna touch a stingray? Okay, never mind.
I'll touch it.
Did you touch it? So Jammers, Bonbon and Michael are getting ready to attend this ride. How y'all feeling about this ride y'all about to hit?
Scared.
Okay?
I'm a little nervous. I hope my shoes don't fall off. So,
Scared.
These shoes may fall off.
yeah.
And you got flip-flops on, Bonbon?
I'm prepared, Jam.
Okay, you better take them flip-flops off.
I'm well prepared.
Jam will be watching. Jam, watch your crazy brothers go on the ride, okay? You guys ready? Bonbon, Michael, y'all ready?
Yes.
All right. I know that you want to do some things. You're growing up fast. When you get bigger, it'll be okay, okay? Jam is looking at his brothers like, my brothers are crazy. Jam, they're crazy, aren't they?
What's up, Jammers? We got Bonbon. Look at Jesse.
What's going on, Jammers?
Say hi, Jesse. Look at it.
All right, we're going in this bell-looking thing. Jam likes these things. He went on the big one.
Oh, you do?
I got you.
Jambo,
Okay.
your second Ferris wheel. Nothing.
Look at his face.
I am doing this for Jam TV and Jam. Who you waving at?
Who you waving at, Jam?
Waving at nature. Jammers, waving at nature.
Hey, Jam, are you waving at the Jammers? Hey.
Say hey.
Say hey.
Hey, Jammers, we about to get on the train. Jam.
Jam, are you excited? We're going on the train. So check it out. So right now, Michael, he's feeling this girl in the back over here.
Bro, hold on.
He's feeling this girl in the back over here. We're gonna try to hook him up. In fact, he said he's gonna try to hook him up.
I'm gonna hook him up.
Yeah, man, you gotta, you feel me? You can't do that, Michael. Oh man.
Choo choo. Choo choo. Having a good time here at the aquarium, my very first time. Everybody's having a good time. Very scenic. A lot of stuff to see.
Everyone, look out! It's the Missing Great White!
Jam TV,
Yeah.
it's a wrap. We got done with the aquarium. I hope you guys liked it.
Yeah, it was dope.
Great.
First time at aquarium. Almost got bit by a tiger, but it was dope. Jam TV, make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel, like it, share it, do all that good stuff. We love y'all.
You already know. Track 21. We up in this motherfucker. Go ahead, son. I got you. A little Michael. Bone. We in here. We in here doing it big. Boy's about to get burnt. You know what I'm saying? I step on that track. I'm doing the vlogging right now. Oh shit, they got the laser tag. I have to start blasting and bucking on my boys. I got on my sweatpants, as you can see. So we got the do-rag on, as you can see, looking sporty. About to kick these boys' asses at racing. See how we doing over here. It's gonna be a 10-minute race. I really don't plan on winning, but I know I'm gonna win anyway, you dig? They confident. I see them, they confident. Hey, Bone, I see Bone kind of confident. I see Michael confident. Oh, it's going down. It's going down, baby. So it's two parts to this track. I think that's where we go, right over there. Yeah, buddy. It is loud as fuck in here.
So when y'all racing today, green flag means go, yellow means slow down and do not pass, and red flag means stop immediately. Another flag, blue flag means move over and let the faster driver pass. So we use that flag because this race is going to be judged off the fastest lap time, alright? So whenever you get the blue flag, we're going to wave it, we're going to point at you, just means move over and let the faster driver pass. Next flag is the black flag, alright? Black flag means it's basically a penalty flag. If you get 3 penalty flags during the race, you're out of the race. No bumping, no driving recklessly, and you have to abide by the flag rules, alright? Also, if anyone gets in a major accident, you hurt yourself or anybody else, you end up on top or under any of our barriers, you are out of the race, okay? Everybody got that?
Yes, sir.
I'm about to kick their butt at this racing thing. As y'all can see, about to get bit. Now, I couldn't show y'all the race because I couldn't have this camera there. But as y'all can see, Dad was first. Bone second. Michael was third. All good. All guys want y'all to see this shit. As you can see, the ass whipping took place down there on the field. So I'm going to get a little footage so y'all can see how fast these go-karts go. Having a good time with my son. And I appreciate you from the Jammers Jam family. Let's get it. So I'm watching them get ready. Get their race on. It's going down. Bone. Lift up your hat. It's on. I got him. I see him rocking. Michael, lift up your helmet. Go like this. I see you. I hear you. And we see Michael pulling through. Driving away, he's looking number 1, he's going fast. But Bone is catching up slowly. Oh, there we've had a brief accident. Technical difficulties with Bone. And Bone's rocking. And we've got Michael going. Michael is currently in the lead. Bone is coming fast. He's coming passing fastly. Oh, this is straight action, ladies and gentlemen. There goes Michael. He's coming around that bend. Oh, he's driving slow. And Bone's catching up slowly. There he is. Gotta spend time with your kids. Gotta enjoy your motherfucking life. Have some fun, baby. Jam TV. And he's off. That's Bone in the lead right there. Going around that bend. Michael right behind you. The race is over. Where in the hell's Bone Bone? He gets caught up in the side. Leon's best time, 4:42. Michael's 48. Nice. Last worst time, 51. As you can see, they are doing terrible. As y'all can see, I'm at the school these boys once again.
Pops and Michael about to play pool. It's about to be a good game.
Yo, I'm about to beat him.
Don't let Pops beat you, Michael.
I'm gonna let you know that. Watch.
Take over.
Oh, wait a minute.
Take over. Take over. Take over. Take over the vlog. Take over the vlog. No. Bring that back on here.
Sometimes you gotta show them how to vlog. I'm gonna shoot with one hand while I'm vlogging. It's you see me right now. Now give him a second. Oh, he scratched. He scratched. He scratched. Are you eating candy over there? Looking like you eating candy over there. So we about to wind down. We had good fun, my sons. You feel what I'm saying? So my son flying home tomorrow down in North Carolina. Stone Cold Cruise, Jam TV. Love y'all. Thank y'all.
What are you saying? Hey, Jammers. I caught you walking today. I caught you walking, you big boy. Mama's here. It's your bedtime. What? You watching your Baba Guppies? Jam, I'm gonna get you walking tonight. I'm gonna get it. Jam, show the Jammers that you can walk now. Come on. Show them. Jam, come here. Come to mommy.